house right now. Oh, Nan, I didn't know you were here.
Well, hi, Dad.
Oh, hello.
Let me get this out of the oven. It's good to see you, honey.
It's good to see you, too. Hey, Ashlyn, what's up?
The ceiling.
What?
You said, what's up? And the ceiling is.
Yep.
Ashlyn, you're not gonna kiss him, are you?
No.
She's not gonna kiss you. You don't need to be scared.
Why would I?
Yeah.
Hi,
We're
Lou.
currently walking to the neighborhood park right now. Me and Ashlyn. Right there. Hello. So, I haven't been to this park in kind of a while, but what's pretty insane is I actually wore, the last time I went to this park, I actually wore this very same t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. And that was like 4 years ago. The neighborhood park here is in the middle of these woods right here. There's a playground right there. Really nice. Look, are you enjoying your swing? Luke's making faces at me. So we're playing hide and seek now. Mom's it and she's over there. They have no clue where I am at this moment. Just coming in kind of my direction. Wow. So she was actually not walking in my direction. She was actually walking back to the house.
That scares me.
Because she actually thought I went missing.
We didn't think you went missing. We thought you just wanted to go back to the house.
Yeah, but I didn't. I was hiding in a tree over there. Oh, I really fooled you guys really well. Okay, so we're now going on a little walk through the local woods right here. It's really nice. Nice little creek over here. There's a lot of ducks in this lake. Wow, some egrets. Those are beautiful. Really majestic birds. Nice. There's this nice little pier right there. Oh, there's Dad. He's going for a run right now. Hello. Hi. Throwing rocks right now. This is fun. Let's try this out. I'm going to throw this really big rock.
I'm not saying this thing is fully chained, you know.
Okay. Some cute little ducks over there. Here comes the guy in the blue shirt.
And there's a bird over there.
An egret. Hello, guy in the blue shirt. Okay, so we're now opening some presents from Sharon's family. Okay, so I got a ton of stuff right here. We're playing video games. Sorry if the video quality is kind of grainy. I'm recording this on my iPad, which is not the greatest. Got this cool Titanic game on Roblox that we're doing right now. It's lowering this lifeboat right now. It's doing it so that it's completely nose down, which is really annoying. Oh my gosh. It's currently really foggy right now. In the morning. Sun hasn't even risen yet. It's about 7. So Dad and I are picking up a new coat since I left my coat at one of the hotels. This outlet mall we're going to is huge. Like, it's almost hard to, like, we had a hard time finding the store that we need to go to, but with help of the map we found it, so we're good. So we found the jacket store all right, so we're heading back now. Okay, so we're heading to this dinosaur park right now. I've never been here before, but kind of curious. So we arrived now. That's everything. So we're going to be walking down this cool trail that has a bunch of dinosaurs and stuff. So you're surrounded by some kind of pretty woods right here. There's a little bit of a playground over there. That's nice. This ankylosaurus right here is pretty big. Is that Triceratops? Oh my gosh, that's like one of the coolest dinosaurs ever. Wow, look how big those spikes are. There's the big one, the T-Rex. That guy is so big. Like he's like the most famous dinosaur in the world. Look at the size of this thing. It is ginormous. It's about, I think that's like, it said it was like 120 feet long. Wow. That's like about as long as the planes that I usually fly on. This is the Brachiosaurus here. This guy is massive. Look at that. This thing's like 50 feet tall. So we left now. We're gonna get food and we're gonna head back to Auntie Sharon's house. That's a lot of hay right there. We got this Mexican place right now. We got some queso here, some chips, and I also got this green burrito. Going to this bowling alley right now. We're gonna do some bowling. I'm looking forward to this. Yep. Yep, Ashlyn. Hello.
Hi.
You can crush this. Oh, you got it. Nice. Ready? Oh, you got a lot of them out. Nice. Oh my gosh, my mom is killing the scoreboard right now. This one. Oh, she crushed it. Only one. Mom gonna crush it. She crushed it. Well, almost. Let's see how Luke scores here. Are you gonna crush it? Oh, he's gonna crush it. Let's see, is he gonna crush it? He crushed it! So we're leaving the bowling place now. I scored pretty well. We also got movie tickets. We're gonna see the new Star Wars film tomorrow, so. Right from the airport, he's kind of.
Hey, Mom, I'm on TV! Hi!
Cooper's kind of a goofball, so.
What in the hell? Are you talking?
Gary's asleep.
Oh.
So we're going to see the Star Wars movie now. That looks like a freight train's coming right now. That's a big one, too. Theater now, which is the same place where we did bowling yesterday. So, my dad's being weird right now. I'll get back to you guys when I finish the movie. So we just finished watching Star Wars. So I'm not gonna spoil it, but it was really good. If it's still in theaters by the time this is up, go see it. Cooper just opened some of his presents right here. I got him this Krampus cereal right here. Aw, look at this little kitty right here. Okay, so we're going roller skating now.
That is correct.
There's downtown Austin.
You'll regret that.
So we're leaving the skate park right now. We're gonna head to this mall since I want to go shopping. Okay, so we're at the mall now. I haven't been to this mall before, but I'm excited. Love going to malls. There's a Lego store. I think just gave me something cool in here. Let's check this out. Okay, I'm gonna be looking for a diary now, so I think maybe there's one in this store right here. Looking at a bunch of Funko Pops right now. We're getting stuff at the food court right now. I got Chinese food, they got Chick-fil-A. So we just finished up now. The mall's closing down. I ate a lot of my food since I love Chinese food. I've had a good time shopping at the mall, so. Hey, Ashlyn. Hello. Oh, so yeah, so this is Ashlyn's neighborhood. They have really good Christmas lights here. Like, look at this guy's house.
I like how it looks like water, but
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we woke up a little while ago, and we're currently packing up, so we're gonna leave in a little bit. So heading to my Nana's place right now. She's about 3 hours away in Houston. Okay, since I want to go to a Buc-ee's while I'm in Texas, we're gonna head to this one right here. Buc-ee's is this gas station that you can find in Texas that has a lot of pumps. Like this one has about 40 pumps. Although I've seen some that have like 100 pumps. So this is the store here that's at the gas station, and it's pretty big. All the junk that they have here. Might buy something. Okay, so I got this cool little magnet right here, and then I also got this Buc-ee's keychain. Look how pretty this little forest is over here. These little woods. I guess this must have burned down, and now they're regrowing trees, I guess. Okay, so we're getting close to Houston now. Okay, so we're almost at Nana's now. We're currently driving through her neighborhood, so.